What's up, guys? Welcome back to another trick video. We are gonna be in the backyard today because I'm not feeling super great. We're just gonna fly the tiny whoop, get it done. So let's spin the wheel and let's get into it. All right, well, we spun the wheel and this is episode 28 and we are doing the split S rewind. If you watched the last video, you know that we did the split S rewind with the flat yaw spin. So today is kind of just making sure the split S rewind is a little better, but that's just the nature of the wheel, you know? I could have had trippy spins the very first spin. Today we're rocking the tiny whoop. Yep, today we're rocking this bad boy. All right. Let's waste no more time. Let's do it. There we go. Okay. So the wind is going to take this guy a little bit. It's okay, we will do our best. Okay, the wind is really taking this. That was terrifying. So let's just try it. Whew, hello. Maybe this was a bad idea in the wind. Obviously you can see the snow. Beautiful. Beautiful day. I think I need to recalibrate this flight controller here. Because this is terrible. My word. That was terrible. I didn't think it was that windy today, but it may just be that windy, you know? May not be able to get much going. It's all right, still a beautiful day. Okay. What in the world? Ugh. I'm assuming this is just the wind, but if someone else has some advice, let's go low. I never go low. Oh, okay, maybe not too low. Maybe if we go with the, oh. Oh, hello. Uh-oh. Well, I lost the drone. That's cool. And I have no goggles. I know it's somewhere over there. So let's go get it back. We might not be flying anymore today. Okay, well, I got the drone. It landed right in the middle of the yard. So I don't know if you can see this, but it is all covered in snow. I'm just gonna let it dry. I think we're done today. I think this is the worst video. It's cold. I don't feel good. It's not even worth it to write it in the notebook. Next video, we'll double up, you know? Maybe I'll just add split S rewind to the beginning of the next video, or the next trick thing. So yeah, I'm Team FPV. Stay soaring.